After my last video on the Redmi Note 7, a lot of you guys were curious on how GCam performed on it. You ask, and I oblige. Here we go, GCam on the Redmi Note 7. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and let's get started. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Before we begin, a quick question: how important is Camera to API for you? Do you think all brands should let you enable it? Let me know in the comments below. Camera to API is in fact enabled on the Note 7, so we just need to download and install the GCam APK to be good to go. No root needed. So let's first start with daylight shots. Right off the bat, we notice that the colors are a little bit saturated on the regular Mi Camera app. Images shot with GCam have more natural looking tones and both do well with dynamic range. Look at how much color we have in the leaves here. When it comes down to details, they're pretty even. The Note 7 does great in macro shots like these, lots of detail and a good amount of natural bokeh. Now GCam can't do the interpolated 48 megapixel shots that the MIUI camera app can, so with the 48 megapixel mode, the MIUI camera app does have an edge with regards to detail. It's not a big difference, but a difference nonetheless. The real test though, the game changer if I might, that's gotta be low light. The MIUI night mode, especially since the Mi Mix 3 has gotten impressive, but against Google's night sight, there is no competition. Google blows the MIUI implementation out of the water here. Yes, the MIUI night mode is a step up from auto mode, but side by side with GCam, Google just runs away with this. There is way less noise, the pictures come out brighter and much sharper. It's pretty clear for me. If you want the best low light shots possible with your Redmi Note 7, you gotta use GCam. Moving on to videos, we have 4K 30fps capture available with GCam, something for some reason Xiaomi or Redmi keeps blocking with the stock camera app. And even though it says EIS is on, looking through the footage I felt EIS wasn't really working with 4K. EIS does work with 1080, but I feel MIUI does a better job with EIS at 1080. So basically, if you want more stable footage at 1080p, go MIUI. If you want more detailed 4K but don't mind the slightly shaky footage, go GCam. The choice is yours. We have a similar tale when it comes to selfies. Many of you might like how Xiaomi softens up the facial features, but in my eye, I'd rather have the more detailed pictures from GCam than the softer looking skin tones from the stock camera app. Night mode for the front camera is working too, and here's how the pictures turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So GCam does make a huge difference under low light and if you want to shoot 4K video. But if you want to get the most detailed daylight shots possible or shoot stabilized Full HD video, the MIUI app is the way to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what other Note 7 content would you like to see. Let me know via the comments below. Please share this video with friends and family if you can. Like or dislike based on how you felt about it. Subscribe and hit that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.